Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the edX app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. edX is an online learning platform offering a vast array of courses from top universities and institutions worldwide. The app provides access to courses, professional certificates, and degree programs across diverse subjects like computer science, business, humanities, and more. It supports video lectures, quizzes, discussion forums, and progress tracking, all designed to foster an interactive learning experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate edX for its high-quality content, flexible learning pace, and the ability to earn recognized credentials. The app's clean interface and smooth video playback make studying convenient on mobile devices. Many learners enjoy the broad range of free courses available alongside paid options for certifications. The platform also allows syncing progress across devices, enhancing usability. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many courses are free to audit, obtaining certificates or full access often requires payment, which can be costly. Some users report occasional app crashes or syncing issues, and the offline mode is limited compared to competitors. Additionally, course interaction depends heavily on instructor engagement, which can vary. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the edX app may be worth using if you're seeking flexible, high-quality online education from reputable institutions. It excels in course variety, credential options, and mobile accessibility. However, if you want fully offline capabilities or free certification options, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.